Hey, it's July 4th and my name is Terry Berry and this is my week 1 video for the open category for the 2025-2026 Skin Games. This is my beautiful model Virginia who recently had melanoma removed from her arm, and she has this lovely scar because when they go for melanoma they want to make sure they get clean margins, which they did. We are so thankful that it was stage 0, and I'm going to let her tell you how she found it.
So I'm fair skinned. I don't wear sunscreen often, which is changing. And my doctor just happened to see the mole, told me to go get it checked out. Typical, it's probably nothing mindset. A year and a half later, I went and got it checked out, and turned out it was melanoma. It had gone through the top layer, mid layer, and was working its way through the fatty layer of my arm, but we caught it early enough that clean margins came back. But now with Terri's help, I'm on a mission to make sure I stay safe and my kids are as well, because that's what's important.
So we're going to be working on reducing her scar, and we're going to be using stem cell factors, which will help with the collagen production. So we're also going to be using a lot of sunscreen, and she's going to be wearing a barrier anytime that she's not asleep. And what that's going to do is protect her from overhead UV lights. And because she works in an office as an engineer, she's a brainy girl. And she will be wearing it outside or wearing her long sleeve shirts. We're trying to protect it while it's healing so that the scar is minimized. And we'll see you guys next week.
Looking forward to it.